para ihanda ang kalusugan ng mga guro at iba pang school personnel. Handog ng Department of Health ang mga serbisyong pangkalusugan mamayang 1:00 ng hapon tulad ng libreng konsultasyon, pagbabakuna, X-ray at laboratory, HIV screening, mental health services, family planning, deworming para sa mga bata, cancer education at health literacy tungkol sa nutrition and physical activity, environmental health, immunization, substance use prevention, mental health, sexual and reproductive health, at violence and injury prevention. Tandaan po natin ito dahil ito ay isang malaking tulong sa atin. Para sa susunod na bilang ng ating palatuntunan, inaanyayahan po ang lahat para saksihan ang audio-visual presentation tungkol sa kampyon ng kalusugan sa Paaralan National Winners.
Ang paaralan ay higit pa sa isang silid-aralan. Bilang ikalawang tahanan, kumakalinga ito sa kalusugan at lakas ng bawat kabataan. Upang pagtibayin pa ang mga paaralan, isang matatag na pundasyon para sa malusog na kinabukasan ang itinayo sa tulong ng Healthy Learning Institutions Framework, kung saan may sasabuhay ang kalusugan sa bawat patakaran, kapaligiran, ugnayan, edukasyon, at serbisyong handog sa kabataan. Ipinagmamalaki ng Department of Health at Department of Education ang mga paaralang nagtaguyod ng kalusugan sa puso, sa isip at sa gawa sa bawat batang Pilipino. Here are the national winners under the Healthy Schools category. From Cordillera Administrative Region, Mulo East Central School, outstanding. Mankayan National High School, outstanding. Lepanto National High School, very satisfactory. From National Capital Region, Malinta Elementary School, outstanding. Imelda Elementary School, outstanding. Eusebio High School, very satisfactory. From Region 1, Ilocos, Lasud Elementary School, outstanding. Andan National High School, very satisfactory. Sagpatan Elementary School, very satisfactory. From Region 2, Cagayan Valley, Cagayan National High School, Junior High, outstanding. Tuguegarao North Central School, very satisfactory. Tuguegarao West Central School, very satisfactory. From Region 3, Central Luzon, Sophia School Incorporated, very satisfactory. Dinalupihan Elementary School, satisfactory. Juan Navarro Elementary School, satisfactory. From Region 4A, Calabarzon, Governor Luis A. Ferrer Jr. East National High School, outstanding. Luis Y. Ferrer Jr. Senior High School, very satisfactory. Tropical Village National High School, very satisfactory. From Region 4B, Dimaropa, Aurelio Arago Memorial National High School, very satisfactory. Kisloyan Minority School, very satisfactory. Socorro Central School, very satisfactory. From Region 5, Bicol, Hamorawan National High School, very satisfactory. San Juan Integrated School, very satisfactory. Rinconada National Technical Vocational School, very satisfactory. From Region 6, Western Visayas, Granada National High School, outstanding. Belizon Central Elementary School, outstanding. Victoria Integrated School, High School, outstanding. From Region 7, Central Visayas, Pasay Central School, outstanding. Dimyao Central Elementary School, outstanding. Lipata Central Elementary School, very satisfactory. From Region 8, Eastern Visayas. San Antonio Elementary School, satisfactory. San Ricardo Central School, satisfactory. Sogod Central School, satisfactory. From Region 9, Zamboanga Peninsula, Siocon Central School, outstanding. Aurora Regional Pilot School with SSES classes, very satisfactory. Kabatan National High School, very satisfactory. From Region 11, Davao, Gredu Elementary School, outstanding. Mati National Comprehensive High School, very satisfactory. Tagum City National Comprehensive High School, very satisfactory. From Region 12, Socsargen, Isulan Central School Sped Center, satisfactory. Dilangalan National High School, satisfactory. Bambad Central School, satisfactory. From Region 13, Caraga. Agusan National High School, outstanding. Calang Custodio Elementary School, outstanding. North Cabadbaran Central Elementary School, very satisfactory. Gaano man kalayo, susuungin upang mabisita ang mga mag-aaral at may hatid ang karapat-dapat na serbisyong pangkalusugan sa bawat paaralan. Narito ang Outstanding Last Mile School sa taong 2024. From Cordillera Administrative Region, Maligkong Elementary School, Kotkot Elementary School, Sabdaan Primary School. From Region 1, Ilocos, Daguiporo Elementary School, Ambalayat Integrated School, Dana Elementary School. From Region 3, Central Luzon, Biaan Aita Integrated School, Burgos Integrated School, Sula Elementary School. From Region 4A, Calabarzon, Paaralang Elementarya ng Lumang Lipa, Panabahin Elementary School, Mahabang Parang Elementary School. From Region 4B, Bimaropa, Talawan Elementary School, Kisloyan Minority School, Makulapnit Elementary School. From Region 5, Bicol, Fulgueras Elementary School. From Region 6, Western Visayas, Victoria Integrated School, High School, Isawan Talento Elementary School, Igdampog Elementary School. From Region 7, Central Visayas, Kanabuan Elementary School, Lapsaon Elementary School, Elpidio H. Perez Memorial Technical Vocational High School. From Region 8, Eastern Visayas, Patag Elementary School, Nadakpan Elementary School, Santa Cruz Elementary School. From Region 9, Zamboanga Peninsula, San Isidro Elementary School, Sisay Elementary School, Logan Elementary School. From Region 10, Northern Mindanao, Gala Elementary School, Tinaan Elementary School, Rojas Elementary School. From Region 11, Davao, Masangin Elementary School, Kauswagan Elementary School, Patel Elementary School. From Region 12, Socsargen, Sabanal Integrated School, Hosol Elementary School, Eday Elementary School. From Region 13, Caraga, Marayag Elementary School. Sa tulong ng bawat guro, magulang at kawani ng paaralan, bawat batang Pilipino ang naaarugang may lakas at talino para sa kinabukasan. Saludo ang Department of Health, Department of Education at ang buong Pilipinas sa mga kampyon ng kalusugan sa paaralan. paaralan ay higit pa sa isang silid-aralan. Bilang ikalawang tahanan, kumakalinga ito sa
Ng kalusugan sa paaralan, Lepanto National High School, Dinalupihan Elementary School, Hamorawon National High School, San Juan Integrated School, Rinconada National Technical Vocational School, Isulan Central School Spec Center, Bombad Central School, at para sa Outstanding Last Mile Schools category, Maligkong Elementary School at Pulgueras Elementary School.
Ang kalusugan ng ating mga kabataan at ang mamamayang Pilipino ay mahalaga. Kung kaya ang Department of Education, kaisa ang Department of Health ay nagsasagawa ng mga proyektong pangkalusugan sa pamamagitan ng Healthy Learning Institution Program. Ngayong taon, kasabay ng ating paglulunsad ng Brigada Eskwela, ay inilulunsad din natin ang Learners Health Assessment Initiative para mapangalagaan ang kalusugan ng ating mga mag-aaral.
Kaugnay ng mga gawaing pangkalusugan at suporta ng Department of Health, igagawad ang Kampiyon ng Kalusugan sa Paaralan Award sa 4 na paaralan.
Pauna dito ay bigyan natin ng daan ang napakahalagang mensahe ng ating kagalang-galang Secretary Chodoro J. Herbosa, Secretary of Health. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mabutihin Secretary.
Maruhay na aga sa inyo, Gabos. Babati muna ako at sabi sa akin, anytime pwedeng pumasok ang ating mahal na presidente para sa kanyang message. No? Pero gusto kong bumati sa mga kasamahan natin sa Department of Education, pinangungunahan ng kasama ko sa gabinete, Secretary Sani Angara. Ang kasamahan niya dito na kasamahan ng Department of Education Executive Committee members, si Assistant Secretary Dexter Galban, inaanak ko ho sa kasal yan. Doktor yan eh. Tapos nandito rin ang ating Assistant Secretary ng Department of Health, Assistant Secretary Gloria Balboa. Sa mga kasamahan namin sa Bureau of Learner Support Services, Director Miguel Angelo Mantaring, doktor din yan. DOH trained po yan. Dinala ko pa sa Geneva yan last year para matuto ng World Health Assembly. Tapos nandiyan din ang ating DepEd Regional Office, Director Gilbert Sadzad, sir. Assistant Director Bebiano Santillas, yun. Tapos ang ating Albay Division, Dr. Nene Rosal Merioles, and other division superintendents, si Governor Glenda Bongao ng Province of Albay, Director Joel De Feo of the LTFRB 5, Congressman Salceda, 3rd District of Albay, Congressman Fernando Cabredo, 3rd District of Albay, Congressman-elect Cielo Crisel Luistro of the 1st District of Albay, Governor-elect Noel E. Rosal, the Province of Albay, si Mayor Edsel Belleza of the Municipality of Bacacay, and Mayor-elect Daniel Jose R. Bombales ng Municipality of Bacacay, Schools Division Superintendent, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, other SDO officials, local executives, education partners, ang aking director ng Health Promotion Bureau, si Tina Marasigan, dati pong nasa private media, kasama na ngayon natin sa Department of Health, ang aking regional director ng Region 5, Director Melissa Sena, at ang aking director ng Bicol Medical Center, si Dr. Gigantone. Andito kasama ko rin po siya. Isang malusog na pagbati sa lahat ng nakikiisa sa Brigada Eskwela 2025 at sa aming mga kampyon ng kalusugan sa paaralan dito sa Bicol. Sama-sama para sa bayang bumabasa. Una sa lahat, taus-puso kaming nagpapasalamat sa Department of Education sa pag-anyaya sa Department of Health sa Brigada Eskwela Kick-Off Program. Ngayong araw, malugod naming kinikilala ang 83 na kampyon ng kalusugan sa paaralang sa buong bansa. programa po ito ni Migo nung siya ang nasa Department of Health, yung Healthy Learning Institutions, tama? Sa Health Promotion Bureau. Ang mga kampyon ng kalusugan sa paaralan ay binubuo ng 45 na mga paaralan na nagsikap na gawing malusog ang kanilang eskwelahan. Sila ang mga schools na nagtagumpay na itinaguyod ang kalusugan sa kanilang mga mag-aaral, mga guro at mga pang-school personnel sa pamamagitan ng pagtataguyod ng sarili nilang mga pulisiya para sa kalusugan, maayos na mga facilities at mga magandang ugnayan sa komunidad at access ng health services. Cut na. Bukod sa kanila, kinikilala rin natin ng kampyon ng kalusugan ng 38 outstanding last mile schools na sa kabila ng mahirap na kalagayan ay patuloy na nagsisikap para mapabuti ang kalusugan ng kanilang mga mag-aaral, guro at school personnel. Ang mga kampyon ng kalusugan na paaralan ay ating gagawaran ng bawat bata malusog packages. Nakikita nyo dito na may lamang mga health kits at naglalaman ng mga gamit na kailangan ng isang school clinic. May mga disaster readiness kit para tiyak handa ang school sa panahon ng sakuna. Meron ding physical activity and sports kits at mental health kits para sa mga guro. Ang mga kits na ito ay simpleng pasasalamat. May mga kits itong simpleng pasasalamat para sa serbisyo ninyo upang mapanatiling malusog ang ating mga kabataan. Siguro, magpapasalamat na lang ako sa mga teacher para tulungan nyo kami sa Department of Health dahil karamihan ng problema ng Department of Health ay problema po sa kalusugan ng kabataan. Vaping, yung vape po, mabigat na problema. Napakabata po, 24% of children are now vaping. Mental health, tulungan niyo po kami dyan. Unplanned pregnancies ng mga kabataan. HIV, narinig niyo siguro, inuanunsyo ko yung pagtaas ng HIV sa 15 years old. Nasa DepEd pa po yun. Nutrition, NCD, ang pag-exercise at ang mga problema kagaya ng dengue. So mag-uumpisa na tayo ng tag-ulan. I do hope maayos na rin yung mga eskwelahan at malinis para hindi siya pugaran ng mga lamok na nagdadala ng sakit na dengue. So sinabihan na akong magputol. Gusto ko lang i-mention, nandito rin si Director Aburar ng Bicol Regional Medical Center. Nagpakita rin siya para ano. So maraming salamat. I do hope yung mga teacher tulungan kami dahil bawat bata mahalaga. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang DepEd.
papasok natin sa DepEd. Kasi isa doon dahil talagang kulang ang teacher natin. At bukod pa doon, ay may programa si Sec Sani Sani Angara na bawasan yung mga administrative duty na binibigay sa teacher. Kasi naman naging teacher kayo para magturo, hindi naman para mag-bookkeeping, para mag-ano, di ba? Kaya yun ang ginagawa namin. Tinignan ko lahat itong yung Khan Academy, ang ganda nung kanilang software na tapos ito na pinakita rin sa atin yung bagong Starlink para may internet connection, may wifi lahat. Yun, hindi lamang dito, gagawin. Lalong-lalo na doon sa mga malalayo. Dahil may teknolohiya na. Ito yung nakikita yung Starlink. Pwede na yan. Basta ikabit mo lang, isaksak mo lang, okay na. Meron ka ng wifi. Kaya mabuti naman, nandyan na yung teknolohiya. Kaya patuloy lang namin tinitignan. At kailangan maghanda na tayo para sa pasukan. At ready na ba kayo? Palagay ko yung mga bata, ready na rin. Kaya gagawin natin lahat. Alam mo naman, kayo, mga teacher, ang inaasahan. Para sa akin, kayo yung mga talagang hero. At ang tingin ko sa teacher, lagi kong pinapaalala sa ating mga kababayan, yung teacher, nagtuturo yan, naging teacher yan, hindi para yumaman, hindi para sumikat, hindi para kung ano tatakbo ng politika. Ang teacher, naging teacher kasi hindi makatulog yan kung hindi nagtuturo. Hindi mapakali ang teacher pag hindi nagtuturo. Kaya bibigyan namin, ang gagaling naman ng mga teacher natin, kulang lang siguro sa suporta, susuportahan namin kayo. Hindi lamang sa financial support, kung hindi, pati na sa mga retraining. Ito nga, yung binabawasan nating administrative duties, mga ganyang klase, para makapagturo kayo na mabuti. At andito po tayo, sama-sama natin ayusin ito para naman yung ating mga kabataan. Pagka nag-graduate, talagang graduate, magaling na magbasa, magaling mag-mathematics, magaling lahat. Kayang-kaya na sila, magtutuloy sila ng university o magtrabaho sila, ready na sila. Kahit anong napili nila, ang gagawin nila sa kanilang career. Kaya maraming salamat sa tulong ninyo at sa lahat ng tuturuan ninyo mga kabataan, napakalaki ang utang na loob nilang lahat at namin lahat sa inyo, teacher. Maraming salamat. Good morning.
pagbabago ka pa sa pag-isip.
Maraming salamat, Pangulong Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. At syempre kay Secretary Angara who are virtually with us. And syempre po maraming salamat din sa ating DOH Secretary sa kanyang mensahe kanina, Sec. Chidora Herbosa. Thank you so much po. And ayon nga po sa kanya, ang Department of Health ay magbibigay ng bawat bata malusog package, ayan, sa ating likuran, sa mga piling eskwelahan. So, para sa ceremonial turnover ng packages na ito, amin pong inaanyayahan ang mga panauhin mula sa DOH. Of course, Dr. Chidoro H. Herbosa, Secretary of Health. Dr. Gloria J. Balboa, Assistant Secretary of Health, Integrated Resilience Office and Global Health Office. Miss Maria Cristina May L. Marasigan, Director for Health Promotion Bureau and Communications Office. Dr. Melissa T. Sena, Regional Director, Bicol Center for Health Development. And Dr. Dominic A. Madumba, OIC Director 3, Health Promotion Bureau and Communication Office. Mula naman po sa Department of Education, Dr. Dexter Galvan, Assistant Secretary for Operations. Dr. Miguel Angelo Mantaring, Director 4, Bureau of Learner Support Services. Gilbert T. Sadsad, Regional Director. And Bebiano I. Centellas, Assistant Regional Director.
Sa puntong ito ay igagawad na ang kampiyon ng kalusugan sa paaralan. Sa muli po ay ang paggawad ng kampiyon ng kalusugan sa paaralan award at inaanyayahan ang mga sumusunod para sa paggawad ng parangal. Ang ating mga kampiyon ng kalusugan sa paaralan ng Region 5 para sa Healthy Schools category. Hamorawon National High School, SDO Masbate.
Para ma-deserve ng award na ano ba to? Excellent. Excellent ba? Outstanding award. Sige, magkwento ka.
In our respective school, Hamorawon National High School, we did our very best in implementing the health programs in partnership with the Department of Education. Of course, this award will never be possible without the support of our SDS Nong Canton Host, and of course, with the teaching and non-teaching staff of Hamurawa National High School. And I would like to offer this award, of course, to SDO Masbate, especially to Hamurawa National High School, and I would like to extend my greatest thanks and appreciation to Department of Health. Thank you so much, Secretary Herbosa, for this award. Thank you and God bless.
Congratulations, palakpakan natin ang Hamuraw.
Again,
Nakakuha sila
congratulations.
ng mga package ito sa kanilang school. Yung package na to para sa physical education, ito yung para sa clinic, mga alcohol, mga other things. Ito, speaker, health promotion pagka mag-exercise, at may mga disaster kit kami, emergency disaster kit in case of sakuna.
Again, congratulations, Hamurawa National High School of SDO Masbate. Healthy Schools category to San Juan Integrated School, SDO Iriga City.
Tanungin din natin, magmensahe din ng mga taga San Juan na integrated school.
Thank you so much, Secretary Herbosa. We would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to the Department of Health, headed by our Secretary, Secretary Ted Herbosa, and of course, Deputy Secretary Sani Angara, our Regional Director, Sir Gilbert Sadsad, our Assistant Regional Director, ARD Beb Centillas, and of course, our Superintendent, Sir Manny de Guzman, our ASDS, Ma'am Maylani, our CID Chief, Sir Gerson Toralde, and our SGOD Chief, Sir Noel Cabaltera. Our journey to being awarded as a healthy school is not very easy. It took us 3 long years to prepare for the competition. It's a showcase of all our initiatives pertaining to health, education, and of course, including the initiatives to improve the health of our learners, and of course, to make every learner a happy learner because they are healthy. So with the awards that we received last December, we received 200,000. We are able to prepare our school canteen, and it's ready now to cater to our kindergarten to junior high school learners in San Juan Integrated School, SDO Iriga City. And with the packages that we will receive, I am very sure they will go a long way. Thank you so much po. And of course, this is possible with the outstanding support of our Barangay LGU, our SPTA, LGU Iriga City, and our SDO officials, and of course, my very dedicated and committed, passionate teachers of San Juan Integrated School. Thank you so much po.
Salamat. Thank you very much.
Another awardee from SDO Iriga City, Rinconada National Technical Vocational High School.
Congratulations sa Rinconada National Technical Vocational School.
My respect and greetings to everyone who are here, to all government officials. In behalf of the whole populace of Rinconada National Technical Vocational Schools of the Division of Iriga City, of course, with our SDS, Sir Manny, with our ASDS, Ma'am May, with our CID Chief, Sir Gerson, and our SGOD Chief, Sir Noel Cabaltera. We really would want to express our deepest thanks and gratitude, of course, to the Department of Health with our the Secretary, Sir Teodoro Herbosa, and his team, and to the people who made this activity a success. I am very proud to say that because of that award that we got from you, we were able to construct a 2-door communal toilet in the WAS area, which would really help provide our learners with the facilities that they needed, and to provide them a healthy and safe and child-friendly environment. God bless everyone.
Congratulations sa Riconanda National Technical Vocational School.
Dumako naman tayo sa Outstanding Last Mile School category. This award goes to Fulgueras Elementary School of SDO Camarines Norte.
Fulgueras Elementary School. Congratulations. Napadala na daw yung plaque sa kanila. Pero iuuwi na nila itong mga package na nasa harap dahil sila yung nasa malayo. So sa inyo na lahat yan, yung physical education para sa clinic, ito speaker at saka pang disaster kits. Siguro makarinig kami ng a few words parang galing sa iyo. Pasalamat.
Best morning po everyone. On behalf po of Fulgueras Elementary School, a last mile school of Pasod District at SDO Camarines Norte, we would like to sincerely give our appreciation to our DOE Secretary and to all the executive committee of your department, most especially po sa nag-validate sa aming paaralan, the regional DOH headed by our RD Sena. Madam, thank you very much po. This award is followed. These awards to be given today is the follow-up awards to be given to our school. We have already purchased the materials and supplies for the school from the 100,000 prize last year. Thank you very much po. Thank you very much po sa Department of Education for continuous support and most especially po sa aming Schools Division Office headed by our very supportive SDS Sir Cristito Morcilla and our health section. Kung hindi po dahil sa kanila, hindi kami magkakaroon ng lakas ng loob para i-implement yung aming programa sa aming munting paaralan, ang pagpapakain ng libre sa loob ng 4 na buwan sa lahat ng aming mga estudyante. So, that was a very successful project for it was supported by our internal and external stakeholders sa kanila pong tiwala. Marami pong bata ang pumapasok sa aming paaralan na hindi na namomroblema ng kanilang pananghalian. So, as of now, it is still continuing and with this award po, lalo po kaming magsisigasig para ipagpatuloy ang aming mga gawain para sa wellness ng aming mga mag-aaral at mga guro. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay po ang DOH at ang Department of Education.
Maraming salamat. Gusto lang namin ipahatid sa inyo dahil nagpumasok ang Presidente. Talagang tutulong po ang Department of Health, hindi lang po sa ating mga kabataan, pati po sa lahat ng mga teacher at mga personnel ng DepEd. We want, nung last March, Women's Month, kami sa Cavite, cervical and breast cancer screening for the teachers. And yung mga teachers, nakita nila, meron din akong dalang counselors for the kids. Sabi nila, kailangan din daw nila ng mental health counseling. So we will also try to provide and partner. Meron po tayo sa services, starting 1 o'clock, meron po tayong health services. Libre po lahat yan for our teachers and our personnel na nandito ngayon sa ating Brigada Eskwela. Kasama po natin ang Department of Health.
Okay, paalala lamang po, tanghaling kay ganda po sa ating lahat. So mamaya po, pagsapit ng 1:00 ng tanghali, pagkatapos po ninyong kumain, habang tayo ay medyo inaantok-antok, salamat po dahil maayos ang ating panahon ngayon, mainit, tayo po ay magpa-check up na. Ang DepEd po ay inihahanda ang pasilidad ng paaralan. Yung ating classrooms, yung mga gagamitin ng ating mga estudyante na mga kagamitan, mga upuan, lamesa, blackboard. Nakita nyo po kanina ang ating presidente mismo ang nagkabit ng blackboard sa ating satellite event sa NCR. Ang DOH naman po, ang mandato sa amin ay ihanda ang ating mga guro sa pagsisimula ng ating academic year. So mamaya pong 1:00 ng hapon, kung kayo po ay may kakilala, guro man, o school personnel o kamag-anak po ng mga nagtuturo dito at nagtatrabaho po dito sa Bakakay, magpunta na po kayo sa services ng DOH mamayang alauna ng hapon. Meron pong libreng x-ray, laboratory, HIV screening, mental health support and counseling, family planning, at kung ano-ano pa. May mga doktor po tayo na nakahanda po para po magbigay ng libreng konsultasyon po para po sa inyo. So yung mga kapitbahay po ninyo, yung mga nanonood po sa ating live streaming ngayon, magsama na po kayo at meron din po tayong bakunahan for HPV mamaya para po sa ating mga kids grade 4 children po. So pwede po ninyong dalhin at pabakunahan na rin po mamaya para po hindi na rin po kayo pipila sa inyong mga healthcare center. So muli po, nagpapasalamat po ang DOH, kaagapay po ninyo kami sa paghahanda po ng buong health system, ng school system or education system. Kami naman po ang bahala sa kalusugan ng ating mga kababayan. Di ba, Sek?
Dahil sa bagong Pilipinas, bawat buhay mahalaga. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay ang DepEd.
Maraming salamat po sa ating mga tagapaggawad ng parangal at huwag po natin kakalimutan ang schedule mamaya. It's a free check-up at 1 o'clock. Pagbati uli para sa ating mga kampiyon ng kalusugan sa paaralan. At sa muli po ang ating pasasalamat sa ating butihing kalihim ng kagawaran ng kalusugan, Dr. Chodora Herbosa at sa lahat ng kasamahan niya mula sa kagawaran at sa ating mga opisyal ng kagawaran ng edukasyon. Taus-pusong pasasalamat din sa mga technical staff na naging parte ng 2024 HLI Awards sa kanilang dedikasyon at kasipagan.
Atin pong pinapasalamatan ng mga technical staff na nangasiwa para sa 2024 HLI Awards. Dr. Benjo Empedrado, Dr. Miguel Mantari, Dr. Amy Lorraine Kapinpuyan, Mr. Jason Roque, Miss Lovely Doblar, Miss Dasha Marie Uy, Miss Irene Marcelo, Miss Jeline De Padua, Mr. Gideon John Tulyao, Dr. Chelsea K. Pacheco, Dr. Eliza Aitona, Mr. Reese Abraham Ibiernas, Mr. Ricardo Noel Herbacio, Mr. Julio Sabile, Miss Krisha May Seba, and Miss Glenn Liza Marie Chavez. Maraming salamat po at binabati po namin kayo sa inyong napaka-makabuluhang programa.
Bago tayo magpatuloy, nais po nating pasalamatan ang China Bank Savings. Kung makikita po natin ay napakaganda ng decks dahil po yan sa kanila sa pagpipintura ng mga gusali. Sa muli po ay maraming salamat, China Bank Savings. Sa pagtatapos nitong bahagi ng ating palatuntunan sa umagang ito, atin tutunghayan maya-maya lamang ang mga inihandang proyekto ng bawat kasapi ng aktibidad na ito. Para sa matiwasay ng pakikibahagi, hahayaan po muna nating mauna ang ating mga panauhing pandangal at tayo ay susunod pagkatapos ang kanilang pag-iikot.
Sa puntong ito, inaanyayahan po natin ang ating mga panauhin para sa ribbon cutting upang buksan ang mga itinanghal ng ating mga partners at ng mga division office ng Region 5.
Sa punto pong ito ay
Ang paaralan ay higit pa sa isang silid-aralan. Bilang ikalawang tahanan, kumakalinga ito sa kalusugan at lakas ng bawat kabataan. Upang pagtibayin pa ang mga paaralan, isang matatag na pundasyon para sa malusog na kinabukasan ang itinayo sa tulong ng Healthy Learning Institutions Framework, kung saan naisasabuhay ang kalusugan sa bawat patakaran, kapaligiran, ugnayan, edukasyon, at serbisyong handog sa kabataan. Ipinagmamalaki ng Department of Health at Department of Education ang mga paaralang nagtaguyod ng kalusugan sa puso, sa isip at sa gawa sa bawat batang Pilipino. Here are the national winners under the Healthy Schools category. From Cordillera Administrative Region, Bulo East Central School, outstanding. Mankayan National High School, outstanding. Lepanto National High School, very satisfactory. From National Capital Region, Malinta Elementary School, outstanding. Imelda Elementary School, outstanding. Eusebio High School, very satisfactory. From Region 1, Ilocos, Lasud Elementary School, outstanding. Andan National High School, very satisfactory. Sagpatan Elementary School, very satisfactory. From Region 2, Cagayan Valley, Cagayan National High School, Junior High, outstanding. Tuguegarao North Central School, very satisfactory. Tuguegarao West Central School, very satisfactory. From Region 3, Central Luzon, Sophia School Incorporated, very satisfactory. Dinalupihan Elementary School, satisfactory. Juan Navarro Elementary School, satisfactory. From Region 4A, Calabarzon, Governor Luis A. Ferrer Jr. East National High School, outstanding. Luis Y. Ferrer Jr. Senior High School, very satisfactory. Tropical Village National High School, very satisfactory. From Region 4B, Bimaropa, Aurelio Arago Memorial National High School, very satisfactory. Kisloyan Minority School, very satisfactory. Socorro Central School, very satisfactory. From Region 5, Bicol, Hamorawan National High School, very satisfactory. San Juan Integrated School, very satisfactory. Rinconada National Technical Vocational School, very satisfactory. From Region 6, Western Visayas, Granada National High School, outstanding. Belizon Central Elementary School, outstanding. Victoria Integrated School, High School, outstanding. From Region 7, Central Visayas, Pasay Central School, outstanding. Dimyao Central Elementary School, outstanding. Lipata Central Elementary School, very satisfactory. From Region 8, Eastern Visayas, San Antonio Elementary School, satisfactory. San Ricardo Central School, satisfactory. Sogod Central School, satisfactory. From Region 9, Zamboanga Peninsula, Siocon Central School, outstanding. Aurora Regional Pilot School with SSES classes, very satisfactory. Kabatan National High School, very satisfactory. From Region 11, Davao, Gredu Elementary School, outstanding. Mati National Comprehensive High School, very satisfactory. Tagum City National Comprehensive High School, very satisfactory. From Region 12, Socsargen, Isulan Central School Sped Center, satisfactory. Dilangalan National High School, satisfactory. Bambad Central School, satisfactory. From Region 13, Caraga, Agusan National High School, outstanding. Calang Custodio Elementary School, outstanding. North Cabadbaran Central Elementary School, very satisfactory. Gaano man kalayo, susuungin upang mabisita ang mga mag-aaral at may hatid ang karapat-dapat na serbisyong pangkalusugan sa bawat paaralan. Narito ang Outstanding Last Mile School sa taong 2024. From Cordillera Administrative Region, Maligkong Elementary School, Kotkot Elementary School, Sabdaan Primary School. From Region 1, Ilocos, Daguiporo Elementary School, Ambalayat Integrated School, Dana Elementary School. From Region 3, Central Luzon, Biaan Aita Integrated School, Burgos Integrated School, Sula Elementary School. From Region 4A, Calabarzon, Paaralang Elementarya ng Lumang Lipa, Panabahin Elementary School, Mahabang Para Elementary School. From Region 4B, Bimaropa, Talawan Elementary School, Kisloyan Minority School, Makulabnit Elementary School. From Region 5, Bicol, Fulgueras Elementary School. From Region 6, Western Visayas, Victoria Integrated School, High School, Isawan Talento Elementary School, Igdampog Elementary School. From Region 7, Central Visayas, Kanabuan Elementary School, Lapsaon Elementary School, Elpidio H. Perez Memorial Technical Vocational High School. From Region 8, Eastern Visayas, Patag Elementary School, Nadakpan Elementary School, Santa Cruz Elementary School. From Region 9, Zamboanga Peninsula, San Isidro Elementary School, Sisay Elementary School, Logan Elementary School. From Region 10, Northern Mindanao, Gala Elementary School, Tinaan Elementary School, Rojas Elementary School. From Region 11, Davao, Masangin Elementary School, Kauswagan Elementary School, Patel Elementary School. From Region 12, Socsargen, Sabanal Integrated School, Hosol Elementary School, Eday Elementary School. From Region 13, Caraga, Marayag Elementary School. Sa tulong ng bawat guro, magulang at kawani ng paaralan, bawat batang Pilipino ang naaarugang may lakas at talino para sa kinabukasan. Saludo ang Department of Health, Department of Education at ang buong Pilipinas sa mga kampiyon ng kalusugan sa paaralan.